Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a 2020 Citroen Berlingo 1.5 HDI diesel automatic. Now, quite a rare vehicle this. Now, this one has just been traded in from a local customer, and I'm going to give you a short video walk around to show you the condition. Now, this vehicle was derived from the Citroen Berlingo van, so space and practicality are unbelievable. A very low entrance sill, so if you want something that you can literally get in and out of very easily, this helps. You've got 3 individual seating, so you can see that all 3 of those seats are all shaped and sculpted in the same way. Sliding doors, which if I can do this one-handed, there we go, kind of across, so no banging into people's doors in a car park, which is a bugbear of mine. Rear parking sensors and a massive level flat boot. So a little bit of a parcel shelf there, so you can adjust it depending on what you want to. And then sliding doors on the other side as well, and if you do need access or you're carrying something larger, click that little lever and it allows the seat to drop down, so you really could utilise the space as a van at times, but also as a 5-seater with an enormous boot. Now, hopefully this gives you an idea. This vehicle is in such good condition, the previous owners actually had car seats fitted right from the word go, so, and even a boot mat, so the interior is in wonderful condition. Now, this is the gear lever, so that's the way you change from park, reverse, neutral and drive, and here is your media system with telephone capability as well as Bluetooth hands-free. Now, this one hasn't covered many miles, just over 40,000, and will be sold with a new MOT as well as going through our workshops as well, and finally coming out with a 12-month warranty. So if you're looking for a vehicle that's super practical and is turbo diesel and is an automatic, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, bye for now.